Hey traders, are you ready to supercharge your trading? At AtoZMarkets, we're always on the lookout for tools that make your trading experience smarter and smoother. I'm Dr. Yury Safraou, also known as Professor Forex. I hold a PhD in finance, and today I'm thrilled to introduce two game-changing platforms that are here to revolutionize the way you trade: the FXGTcom Trader and FXGT App. Whether you're on the go or at your desk, these tools are designed for traders like you who demand speed, flexibility, and power. So let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the FXGTcom Trader. Forget downloads, forget limitations. The FXGTcom Trader is a powerful web-based platform that puts professional-grade features right in your browser. Whether you're on your desktop at home, sneaking in trades in a coffee shop, or hey, even chilling on a beach vacation, because let's be honest, some of us dream of trading with a cocktail in hand, you're good to go. So what makes the FXGTcom Trader platform a true standout in the trading world? Well, we'll break it down into some key features that make this web-based platform a trader's dream. First off, if you love technical analysis, you are going to be thrilled. FXGTcom Trader integrates with TradingView to offer over 90 smart drawing tools. Think of everything you need for deep analysis, whether it's lines, shapes, or complex patterns, it's all there. And let's not forget about 100 technical indicators at your fingertips, including popular ones like RSI, MACD, EMA, Bollinger Bands, and more. This setup gives you everything you need to make precise, data-driven decisions. And here's where it gets even better. You can customize everything. Switch between different time frames, bar styles, colors, and even grid lines. Customize the toolbar to keep your go-to tools just a click away, creating a trading setup that's uniquely yours. Want to manage multiple trading strategies? With FXGTcom Trader, you can open separate browser windows for each of your FXGT.com accounts. This makes it super simple to handle multiple strategies all at once. FXGTcom Trader puts you in control of your trades with auto-close orders. Now you can set the predefined profit and loss levels or even close trades based on equity percentages. It's a powerful tool for managing risk and locking in profits without constantly monitoring your screen. Tired of reconfiguring your charts every time you log back in? FXGTcom Trader has autosave for your chart settings, so all your preferences are saved automatically. Every time you log back in, your charts are just as you left them. Need to keep track of multiple assets? With multi-chart windows, you can view several charts side by side in one window. It's fully customizable to give you control over your workspace and streamline your trading. Time is money in trading, right? One-click trading lets you open and close trades instantly with just a single click. Whether you're entering or exiting, this feature helps you stay fast and responsive. Keep your favorite assets right at your fingertips. With favorites on the market watch, you'll never waste time searching for frequently traded assets. They are always right there, ready when you are. And if you are someone who likes to explore different strategies, you can save an unlimited number of chart layouts for FXGT.com 180 markets. Every layout you create stays saved, letting you experiment and fine-tune your setups. Lastly, security is crucial, and FXGTcom Trader has it covered. This platform offers top-level security with end-to-end encryption, so you can trade with confidence knowing your data and funds are protected. So as you can see, FXGTcom Trader is built to provide a seamless, powerful, and secure trading experience. If you're ready to give it a try, head over to FXGT.com by using the link in the description. Sign up and get started with FXGTcom Trader today. Alright, now that we've covered the amazing features of FXGTcom Trader, let me quickly show you how to get started. It's super simple, just follow these steps. First, register with FXGT.com. Next, create a trading account. Then head over to FXGT.com/FXGT-Trader. Once you're there, click on Trade Now. This will take you to the web trader. Log in with your details, and that's it. You're ready to trade. You see, it's fast, simple, and hassle-free. Give it a try and see how easy it is to dive into the markets. Now, let's talk about the second part of today's topic, the FXGT app. Some of you traders live life on the go, and that's where FXGT app comes in. Available for both iOS and Android, this app allows you to trade from anywhere and anytime. Here is what sets FXGT app apart. First up, they have got one-click trading. Imagine this, you can open or close trades just with a single tap. That's right, no delays, no hassles, just tap and you're set. Next, they have a multilingual interface. You can choose your preferred language, making it easier and more comfortable to navigate. Trading should be accessible for everyone, right? And get this, their app got blazing fast performance, real-time market updates, lightning-fast order execution, plus an integrated economic calendar so you can stay on top of things without switching apps. Pretty smooth, right? They have also ensured fast and secure transactions, deposits and withdrawals done in no time and with top-notch security. No need to worry about safety here. Lastly, for those of you with multiple accounts, the app has multi-account management. Switching between accounts is a breeze, so you can keep all your trading activities organized and accessible in one place. Alright, how do you get started with FXGT app? Super simple. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Download the FXGT app. Log in with your account details. Fund your account and start trading. And that's it. You are now ready to trade anytime and anywhere. So if you are someone who's always on the move or just wants to keep trading simple and fast, the FXGT app might be worth checking out. Still wondering why you should choose FXGT? These platforms are tailored for traders who value precision, speed, and convenience. With cutting-edge tools like TradingView, power charts, lightning-fast execution, and multilingual support, FXGT is setting a new standout in the trading world. Plus, managing your trades has never been that simple, whether you're on your laptop or smartphone. So what are you waiting for? Head over to FXGT.com to open your account and experience the future of trading with FXGT app and FXGT.com Trader. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to AtoZMarkets, and turn on notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy trading everyone! See you in the next video.